Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to turn around your video clip in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So for instance, this particular video clip right here on my timeline, I want to turn around the edge of this particular video clip. How do we achieve that? So what we want to do right here is to make sure we navigate to our effects tab. On your keyboard, to have access straight to effects tab, just press letter X on your keyboard. It will take you to all effects tabs right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead from the effects tab. Make sure you look for corner rounding right here. So you have corner rounding right here. So go ahead and drag it on the clip. Once you drag it on the clip, you can see effect added. Next thing you want to do is to come to the sidebar right here and adjust the effect and how you want it to be appear on your video. So you can decide to increase the radius right here. So the more you increase, the more you're going to see the effect around all the edges right here. So just like what you see right here, you can see the video is being corner rounded. So if I select on this right here and I decide to turn it down a little bit, so let's find out the result right here. Now you have 3 edge corner, and then this place here is left on corner. Let's say for instance we want to make it more visible right here. So you can see we have just 3 places to be corner, just like what you see right here. 1, 2, 3. So the last one here is left on corner. So let's go back right here. We can decide to make it full. Everything depends on what exactly we really want to achieve as far as this particular effect is concerned. So we can go ahead and decide to make this one, and decide to disable this one also. Then we can now drag. This will make it corner from this side and this side. This is depends on what exactly we set on our graph paper right here. As far as Camtasia video editing software is concerned, you can go on and make it corner as much as possible. Everything depends on exactly what you really need to achieve as far as this particular corner rounding effect is concerned in Camtasia video editing software. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.